Hey guys, Kyle here, and we're gonna show you my firework collection, and I'm gonna blow up for July 4th. It would be today if they didn't and change the date. Just saying, if you did done history class. Okay, this is the first one of the circular ones, and all of them are gonna be TNT. Dynamite. Okay, this is the giant mystery geyser. It's gonna be a mystery. It's gonna be a mystery. I'll give you a close look at the fuse. The fuse is green. Okay, here's the second one. Freedom 76. It's gonna be maybe red, white, and blue, the colors? Maybe. Okay, and I'll show you and same color as the other one. Okay. And here's Razzle Dazzle. I bet it's gonna be like the traditional color in gold. And here's the fuse. There. And this is the last one of those circular ones. Silver Spangler. I bet it's gonna be like the other ones, but I bet it's gonna be red. And here we moving on to the small packs and sparklers. And this is the only one I have now, but here it is. A flashing fountain. It's a 5-pack, and this is the only one I have now. And there. It looks like a good pack, but I bet there's little ones and will be small. Maybe it will flash big ones. Maybe. Okay, that's the only one that that has a small pack. Okay, here we are for the other things that I don't own, for the sparklers and small packs. I'm gonna buy today some sparklers and I'm gonna buy some sparklers and some poppets, and all of them are gonna be TNT, including the ones I'm gonna buy. Okay, moving on. Jetpack. Okay, these ones are the Blazing Rebel and On Your Marks. They're the first one that has the gold and the glow fuse. I'll just show you one of the glow fuses. Okay, that's it for the fuses. I'm not gonna show you anymore because I already am tired of doing the zooming in. Our most largest one is this Go Beyond. Why is there there a tear in it. And maybe not coronavirus. And okay. It's the biggest one. Okay, moving on. Now you wondered why is there boxes? Those are also fireworks. Hay fever. This is the one that I think is gonna show a little some medium sparks. Also has Old Sparky. They go together good. Okay, moving on. Okay, here's star emission. Okay, that's our and this is the one with a circle one. And pumptastic. These are the two ones that have circles on their heads. Okay. And now we're going to the end. Here's the kid, here's the wife, and here's the dad. And we are happy. Okay. Moving on to this one. Silver, snow, and fountain. This is the first one I could read backwards. Glittering fountain. The second one I can read backwards. Wartime. Read them all backwards, so they're the backwards family. Okay, that's it. And that's all for our fireworks, and we'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, no like, just subscribe, comment on my older videos, and ring the bell, and like.